This video explains to you how to clean the heat exchanger on a forced draft boiler, similar to this A.O. Smith. First, kill the power. Shut off the gas. Unscrew the top and bottom panels to expose the blower section and the burner section. Remove the unions, remove the flame rods and igniters. Here's the flame rods and igniters. Remove all the screws holding all the burners. Remove any wires or tubes attached to the burners. Remove the screws holding on the header. Remove the headers. This particular unit has 3 headers. And while the headers are off, inspect and clean the orifices. Now you're ready to remove the burners. Inspect all burners and headers for damage or cracks. Inspect the gaskets, replace if needed. And on this unit, you're left with the center header, which needs a little more work. So you will need to remove the center bracket, take all the screws off holding the center bracket. And then carefully, with a little bit of force, remove that center bracket. And once that center bracket's gone, now you have full access to the header. Remove the header. And now this is a picture of the unit without any of the burners or the headers. So move the wires out of the way as needed, and you're going to remove the 2 side plates on this unit, which will completely expose the cover that's covering the heat exchanger. So you will remove that cover, and what you're left with is the refractory. You carefully pull the refractory off, and this exposes the burner cabinet and above the heat exchanger. This is the heat exchanger. Looks like it needs a good cleaning. A lot of calcium buildup and soot. So vacuum out all the debris. Take off the wires that are holding the angle that holds the plates on the top. Remove the angle plates, the diffusers. And you're going to line the cabinet in plastic. Coat the heat exchanger with Evap Power or Simple Green. And actually wash with a hose. Careful not to saturate. And here is a nice clean heat exchanger. So once that's all finished, remove your plastic. While your burners are out, go ahead and wash your burners, inspect them, and basically just put the unit back the same way you took it apart. While you have the hot surface igniters, you want to ohm them out. They should ohm between 50 and 90 ohms. And clean your flame rods, replace them if needed, and replace the hot surface igniters as needed. So here we're putting back the burners. We're putting back the manifold header. And we're going to tighten the unions. And this is the unit put back together, and button up all the panels. And that is it.